Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications from the middle, expand it, and look for the screen recording toggle, assuming it is added by default, and it is. As you can see, it's right over here. Now this is the default orientation of the toggles, so hopefully you can find this toggle in the same place on your phone. Now once you locate it, you can tap on it to immediately start recording your screen after basically tapping on the record button. But you can also hold it, and this will take you to the settings, and in here you can change a couple of the settings that are right here. So we have definition. We are set to medium. I would recommend changing it to high. This will give you a better visual fidelity of the recording over the default one. And we have also frame rate. We are set to dynamic, which honestly, I don't know if this is good or bad, to be honest. Never really tested it. I guess it will utilize lower frame rate when it can and increase them when the phone can actually utilize more frames. But I have no idea how other places deal with this. If it's not recording at a fixed frame rate, YouTube might be just kind of confused by this, so keep that in mind. I would probably personally prefer to change it to 60 like I did right now, and that would be basically allowed to change. Now there's also a couple toggles right here which you can change at your will. I'm gonna keep them as they are. So once you have changed your settings, let's find the toggle once again, tap on it, select continue and accept and allow access to everything that it needs. Now these things that it asks access to, it does actually need it. The reason why it needs to, for instance, make screen recording to make, allow screen recording to make calls and manage calls, stuff like that. Might be so you can record your calls, but it also could be because it is utilizing microphone to record your voice. And that could be possibly just associated with just making calls. Obviously stored so it has somewhere to save this. And there we go. We can now start recording by tapping on this circle. Come on. There we go. So it's now recording. So whatever I'll do right now will be recorded by the phone. Now once I'm done with recording, I can interact with the overlay and stop it. This will automatically save it to my gallery application, and as you can see, it's right here. You can also navigate into albums, which it should be in a video album, and there it is, as you can see, and it's already playing. So there we go. That is how you could record your screen on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.